Hello students, important terms related to alternating quantity. In previous session, we have seen what is meant by alternating quantity or alternating current. The current which changes its direction periodically, such type of current is called as alternating current. Their magnitude and polarity also changes with respect to time. So which are the terms which are related to alternating quantity? The first one is cycle, second is frequency, third one is phase, fourth one is time period, fifth one is maximum value, sixth one is average value, seventh is RMS value, and last one is power factor. So first, to discuss all these terms, we will consider one waveform which is related to alternating quantity. In this sinusoidal waveform or in this sine waveform, we can see that on x-axis time is marked from the duration 0 to 2 pi, and on y-axis voltage and current is marked whose magnitude we have to measure. So first let us discuss the definition of waveform. A waveform is a representation of how alternating current varies with respect to time. Or in simple word, we can also define the definition of waveform is the graph which is obtained by plotting the instantaneous values of an alternating quantities is called as waveform. The common AC waveforms are the sine wave, square wave, the ramp wave, sawtooth wave and triangular wave. All these waves are the irregular shape, so that it is called as alternating waveforms. Their general shapes are shown. We'll discuss one by one. The first is sine wave, second one is square wave, third one is ramp wave, fourth one is sawtooth, and the last one is triangular. If we will see all these waveform, you can see that these all waveform will change its magnitude as well as direction with respect to time. After that, we'll discuss instantaneous value. What is the definition of instantaneous value? The value of alternating quantity at any instant is called as instantaneous value. Or the instantaneous value is the value of an alternating quantity. It may be AC voltage or AC current, or sometimes it may be AC power at a particular instant of time in the cycle is called as instantaneous value of the alternating quantity. If we consider this sine wave, we can see that the time is marked from 0 to 2 pi on x-axis, and on y-axis the current is marked whose magnitude we have to measure. So considering this waveform, the instantaneous value at time period t equals to 1 is I1, at time t equals to 2 is I2, at time t equals to 3 is I3. The next term is cycle. Now we'll discuss definition of cycle. One complete set of positive and negative values of an alternating quantity is called as cycle. If we see this diagram or if we see this waveform, in this waveform you can see that again on x-axis time period is marked, on y-axis two parameters are marked, alternating parameter, one is voltage, second is current whose magnitude we have to measure. So in this waveform, if we'll consider one positive half cycle and one negative half cycle, the combination of one positive half cycle and one half negative cycle is called as cycle. That's why the definition of cycle is one complete set of positive and negative values of an alternating quantity is called as cycle. Again, if we'll consider the same waveform, in this waveform, the duration 0 to 2 pi radians forms a cycle. The next one is time period. Time period is indicated by T. The definition of time period is the time required to complete one cycle is called as time period. Already we have seen one positive half cycle and one negative half cycle forms one complete cycle, and now we are going to discuss the definition of time period. The time required to complete one cycle is called as time period. Time period is always measured in seconds. Again, if we'll consider the same sinusoidal waveform, in this waveform, the duration 0 to 2 pi radians forms one cycle, and time duration of one cycle indicates the time period. Next one is frequency. The definition of frequency is the number of cycles per second is called as frequency. The number of cycles per second is called as frequency, or in another terms, the number of cycles completed by an alternating quantity in 1 second is called as frequency. Frequency is measured in hertz. Frequency is also the reciprocal of time period. So we can write the formula for frequency. It is 1 by T. T is nothing but time period which is measured in seconds. Next one is definition of phase. Now we'll discuss the term phase. The phase is defined as the fractional part of a period or cycle through which the quantity has advanced from its selected origin, usually last zero value, while increasing towards its positive maximum value. Or in simple terms, we can also define phase. The phase of an alternating quantity is defined as the divisional part of a cycle through which the quantity moves forward from a selected origin. That means the waveform from the particular time period. If we'll consider this waveform, in this waveform, consider the two alternating currents which are marked here, Im1 and Im2, which is shown in the figure. Both the quantity attains their maximum and minimum peak point at the same time. Peak point means what? Peak point is nothing but the maximum value of the waveform. And the zero value of both the quantities establishes at the same instant. तुम्ही जर ही वेवफॉर्म पाहिली तर ह्या वेवफॉर्म दोन्ही वेवफॉर्म एक रेड कलरची आहे जी आहे IM1 ची आणि एक ग्रीन कलरची आहे जी इंडिकेट करते IM2 करंट. ओके, सो बोथ वेवफॉर्म विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 0 and both waveform will end at pi. That means the duration, the starting and ending duration for both the half cycle is exactly same. When the two quantities have the same frequency and their maximum and minimum point achieved at the same point, then the quantities are said to have the same phase. जर दोन्ही वेवफॉर्मला सेम फ्रिक्वेन्सी असेल आणि सेम टाइम पिरियड असेल आणि सेम मॅक्सिमम पीक व्हॅल्यू असेल तर आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की त्या दोन्ही वेवफॉर्म सेम फेज मध्ये. द नेक्स्ट वन इज फेज डिफरन्स. आपण आत्ताच पाहिलं फेज म्हणजे काय. आता दोन वेवफॉर्मच्या फेज मध्ये काय डिफरन्स आहे तो आता आपण बघू. फेज डिफरन्स इज द डिफरन्स इन फेज अँगल between two sinusoids or phasors. In simple terms, we can also define phase difference. The phase difference between the two electrical quantities is also defined as the angular phase difference between the maximum possible value of the two alternating quantities which having the same frequency. We will discuss this definition in the waveform again. If we'll see this waveform carefully, again we have considered the same current Im1 and Im2, but now the origin or the starting duration of both the waveforms are not same. So we'll discuss about this waveform. The two alternating quantities have phase difference when they have the same frequency. दोन्ही वेवफॉर्मची फ्रिक्वेन्सी सारखी आहे, but they attain their zero value at the different instant. त्यांची इनिशियल पोझिशन किंवा त्यांची जी झिरो व्हॅल्यू आहे स्टार्टिंग पोझिशन ती डिफरंट आहे. Therefore, The angle between 0 points of two alternating quantities is called as angle or phase difference. या दोघांमध्ये या दोघांच्या स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट मध्ये जो डिफरन्स आहे त्याला आपण म्हणू अँगल किंवा फेज डिफरन्स. तो अँगल इथे आपण कशाने इंडिकेट केलेला आहे फेज डिफरन्स फायने. Consider the two alternating currents of magnitudes Im1 and Im2 which are shown in the figure. The two current obtains the zero value at different instant. Therefore, they are said to have the phase difference of angle phi. Thank you.